What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to complete the square to make a perfect square trinomial. You know, the perfect square trinomial, as a reminder, is a plus b to the power of 2, which is going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or a minus b to the power of 2 is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So in the first example here I have is x squared plus 14x, and I want to have complete square. So first of all, we have 14. If you divide it by 2, it will be 7. 7 to the power of 2 will be 49. So we must have x squared plus 14x plus 49 to becomes x plus 7 to the power of 2. Next example, it is x squared plus 12x. Again, 12 divided by 2, we just divided by 2 the coefficient of x. That's 6. 6 squared is 36. So x squared plus 12x plus 36, that will be perfect square trinomial. That will be x plus 6 to the power of 2. Next example is x squared minus 8x. The answer is negative 8 to the divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So we'll have x squared minus 8x plus 16, which is x minus 4 to the power of 2. Next example, x squared minus 28x. Answer will be negative 28 divided by 2 is negative 14. Negative 14 to the power of 2 is 196. So we will have x squared minus 28x plus 196, which is x minus 14 to the power of 2. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it interesting and useful, please like this video and recommend it to your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding different topics in math and chemistry. Thank you and have a great day.